Hi, this is going to be about factoring by grouping. We use this when we have to factor 4 or more terms. So let's look at this example. 2a cubed minus 8a squared plus 3a minus 12. Well, let's break it down the middle, right there. For the first one, we have to find the GCF, which would be 2a squared, and that would be a minus 4, right? Same thing for this one, so let's do 3a minus 4. Alright, so both of them have a minus 4. So for our answer, we're going to do 2a squared, right, plus 3 times a minus 4. And that's going to be our answer. Okay, let's try another one. 6x cubed plus 18x squared plus x plus 3. Let's once again break it down the middle and find the GCF for each part. So let's begin with this one. 6x squared times x, right, plus 3. Oh, and look, we have x plus 3 here. So what would go in front, right, if we were to do this, we would have a 1. So that's called the invisible 1, what I like to call it. Alright, so let's see. Our answer is going to be 6x squared plus our little invisible 1 times x plus 3. Yes. Alright. So we have 2m cubed minus 2m squared plus 3 minus 3m. Gonna break it down the middle. Greatest common factor, which I call GCF, 2m squared times m minus 1, right? Okay. Because remember, negative 1 times 2m squared will be negative 2m squared. And here we're going to have 3, 1, once again, 3 times 1 is 3, minus m. Uh-oh, these are not the same. So, what if we do the following? We make this 3 negative. So this would make the 1 negative, and this would be a plus sign. And this would be the same as m minus 1, which is the same as here. So now this is easy. We're going to do 2m squared minus 3, okay, this time we do minus 3, times m minus 1. And that's our little answer. Finally, I'd like to show you, so let's go back to the first example. Okay. See, 4 terms is really big, so we broke it down into groups. These 2 terms made a group, and these 2 terms made another group. Now, what you would do first for this would be to try to find a GCF beforehand, but in none of these did we have a GCF beforehand. Okay? So, you group them into two groups. And sometimes these won't just work like that, so you'll have to rearrange them into different groups and, play around with the numbers, and eventually you get your nice little answer. So that's the video on factoring by grouping.